A group of 15 people went to the concession stand at the theater. Each person in the group either ordered one soda or one tea. The sodas cost $4.75 and the teas cost $3.50 each. If the total cost of all 15 drinks was $63.75, how many sodas were ordered? Since we're talking about two different items, we're going to use two different variables. X is going to be the number of sodas, and Y is going to be the number of teas. It says a group of 15 people went to the concession stand at the theater and they all ordered either one soda or one tea. No person ordered both. So that means that the number of sodas plus the number of teas should equal to the total number of people, because that's how many drinks were ordered. The sodas cost $4.75. So if you multiply $4.75 times the number of sodas ordered, and then if you multiply $3.50 times the number of teas that were ordered, and you add them together, that should give you the total cost of the entire order, which is $63.75. So now we have a system of two equations, and we're going to solve this by substitution. I'm going to isolate one of the variables, so I'm going to subtract x from both sides. So I end up with y is equal to 15 minus x. And then I can go back into the second equation and replace the y with 15 minus x. So I end up with 475x plus $3.50 times y, but y can be replaced with 15 minus x. And that is equal to 63.75. And then we're going to solve this equation by getting rid of the parentheses. So we're going to distribute 350. We're going to multiply 350 times 15. That is 5250. And then 350 times negative x gives us negative 350x is equal to 63.75. We're going to combine like terms. 4.75 minus 3.50 is going to give us 1.25x plus 5250 is equal to 63.75. We're going to subtract 5250 from both sides of the equal sign. That is 1125. And then we're going to divide both sides by 1.25. So we have 1.25x is equal to 11.25. We divide both sides by 1.25, and that's going to give us the value of x. So we end up with, that is x is equal to 9. Now what does x represent? X represents the number of sodas. So we're going to check to see if we actually answered the question. The question was how many sodas were ordered. So yes, we found the answer. And for this particular kind of problem, you want to make sure that you do understand what the question is, because sometimes it will ask you for the number of t's or the number for the other variable. So you would actually have to go back and plug it into the first equation that you built, where it gives you the y value. So in this case, it's not asking us to do that. So 9 is the number of sodas.